All right, ABC7's photojournalist Miguel Favela, he was also at the Battle of I-10. He captured these sights and sounds of the fan fiesta inside of the Sun Bowl.
It's the Battle of I-10, the biggest game of the year in El Paso.
I'm really excited. This is actually just my second game that I had come since I was in UTEP, so I'm really excited because my best friend, she goes to NMSU, so we're rivals right now, and I have high expectations for UTEP right now.
No, but hopefully the Aggies come out with the win,
We're here, we are ready, and we're supporting the Miners. Woo! Go Miners!
I'm here supporting NMSU because we're the best university there is. We're gonna win this. You know how it be. I'm representing out here.
Thank you to Miguel Favela for that cool sights and sounds of everything going on at the Sun Bowl.